Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to enable battery saving mode on our HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. To enable it, we have to go to our settings here. Next, we have to search for battery options in settings. It's here. And here we have power saving mode. Now it's turned off. As you can see, the boxes are unchecked. To turn it on, we simply need to check this little box right here, and power saving mode is now activated. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this little box here, and it's back to normal. It's very easy to do, it's just a little hidden. And this is all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video.